Back again. Today I'll be showing you how to make a peanut butter cake. It's a very easy recipe, and thank you so much for your support, for your likes, comments, feedbacks. I've been getting a lot of messages on the recipes, and I'm glad for the responses that I'm getting. So back to this peanut butter cake, and as always I'll put the recipe details in the comment box. Feel free to use it, share, you can do whatever you want with it. Thank you so much. Now let's start. So here, I'll just set this down. This is an empty bowl. Here I have 2 cups of pre-sieved flour. Here's brown sugar, light brown sugar. I actually did not have brown sugar, so I added black treacle, a little bit of black treacle to my sugar. I have 1 cup here. I'll just grab this and pour there. I have salt and baking soda here. I'm just going to mix it together, as you can see. So here I have ½ cup of butter. It was kind of frozen. I couldn't wait for it to come to room temperature, so I just popped it in my microwave. Here I have 2 whole eggs and 1 egg yolk. Here I have my peanut butter. Here I have 3/4 cup of milk. And 3/4 cup of water. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on low heat till everything melts together. So what I'm just going to do is I just want this to melt together. Once it melts together, I'll show you how it looks. So this is how it looks when it has melted. What I'm just going to do right now is pour my wet ingredients into my dry ingredients. And then I'm going to give it a nice whisk. Then vanilla, I have vanilla flavor here. So vanilla flavor, I'm going to put 2 teaspoons. So now we're just going to give this a nice whisk. Your mixture should not be, your cake batter should not look too runny. It should just look somewhat like this. So cake is ready. I'm going to bake this in 2 6-inch pan for about 40 minutes, and I'll be back to show you how it looks. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a nice comment. I'll be back. I'm back. The cake is ready. It was in the oven for about 30 minutes. And let me just remove it from the pan and we're good to go. So it should look somewhat like this when it's ready. I can't wait to take a bite. Thank you so much for joining this class, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, follow our Instagram page, and drop a nice comment.